What you can also do is easily insert out images from the web inside of Google Drawings. So to do that, first of all, you have to click on Insert and then over here go to Images, and here you can see Search the Web is an option. Once you go around into Search the Web, you can see on the right hand side you get Google Images as an option. So if I were to go around and type in nature right here and press enter, you can see the nature images that pops up right here. So all you need to do is click, and what happens is that you can go around, select multiple images out over here as well, and click on insert, and what happens is that it inserts out those images right over here, as you can see. And these are separate images, so you can move them out and place them wherever you like. And that is how you can insert out images directly from Google Search, because it is integrated in the web images search right here. So that is how you can insert out images directly from the web inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.